how about an unboxing video? Apparently those are really popular. So we ordered some posters from Redbubble because we wanted to see what the posters actually looked like. So here's how it came. Big long box. And this end you can just pop open apparently. Pretty easy. They come rolled up. Which is cool. Alright. Looks like one end is not sealed. So I should be able to just kind of shove them out of there, I think. Maybe I don't want to. Maybe I want to just cut it. It's probably a better idea. There we go. We wanted to see what they looked like printed at the largest size we could find on Redbubble. So we can see what the definition looks like. Wow. Pretty awesome. I think. Wow. That is amazing. Here, let me just turn it around on this sofa here so you can see it. There's a little bend in it, but that's just a couch cushion. So, but yeah, the detail's incredible. So that's the Celestial Cruise, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like they actually sent us 2 copies. Interesting. I'm pretty sure I just ordered one,
Yeah, I believe there's only one.
but
Maybe they accidentally printed 2 and just gave it to
We
us.
got 2 of them. Oh, and here's the other one.
Yeah, we were worried
Did they
about
do
this
2 of
one
these?
to make
Nope,
sure.
they just did one.
We wanted to make sure the blacks were black, and it looks like
Yeah, they did incredible.
it's a good job.
There's no banding. There's nothing. This is amazing. And this is just the poster, which is part of why it's so glossy, I guess. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Really, really impressed. So thank you, Redbubble. It's awesome.